They go, huh?
Come in and sleeveless shirt. One arm cut off your shirt. Oh, sorry.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
How does SpongeBob say it? I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yes.
It's my first Boston Terrier. Never done one of these before.
Looks good.
Thank you.
How old is the Boston Terrier?
5.
Aww. Dogs are so cute. Just don't see how anybody could be mean to animals like that. I'll be out there in a minute.
You've never met my beagle. No.
Oh, I've had one like him, I'm sure. And even my dog got an ass whipping every now and then, but
Oh, yeah.
you know what I mean? Just people in general throwing dogs out on the road and
No, that's not
just
cool.
leaving them outside with no attention whatsoever. I mean, if that's the way you're going to be, why even bother to get one?
This dog's in our bed with us at night.
Yeah, mine sleeps with me too.
Sleeps right under the covers.
Uh-huh. Mine will come up right between us, and he'll come up and he'll stop, and he'll kind of nudge the covers with his nose, and then he'll start sneezing. And you know when he sneezes that he's unhappy, because that's what he does. If he wants something, he'll wait, and he'll wait, and he'll wait, and then do it again until you get him what he wants. So he'll sit there and do that, and then all you got to do is lift the covers like that, and he'll be like,
Zips right under. Yeah.
yep. He's a funny little dog. We got a little 6-year-old, well, 7 years old now, a little 7-year-old mini doc.
Oh.
Always wanted a little wiener dog.
Yeah.
How much are these little flip videos?
I don't know. I got that one for $100 off eBay.
Really?
That's cool.
Oh, you can't beat that.
That's awesome.
His name?
Numa.
Numa?
Numa and Mina girl.
And there it is, finished. Happy?
Happy. Very happy.